Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sebastian Diganson from grade 12 Leviticus. So our teacher gave us a topic about national artists under the dance category. So for our first national artist is Francisca Reyes Aquino. Francisca Reyes Aquino was a Filipino educator, dancer, and cultural advocate known as the mother of Philippine folk dancing. She dedicated her life to preserving and promoting traditional Filipino dances by documenting and researching regional dance forms. Aquino's work was instrumental in the recognition and integration of folk dance into Philippine culture and education. Her legacy in Filipino culture preservation remains significant. So, si Francisca Reyes Aquino was born year 1899 and died in year 1991 at the age of 91 years old. She became a national artist in year 1973 and the former president was Ramon Magsaysay, and the cultural award from United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, or in short term is UNESCO. So for our second national artist is Leonor Orosa Gauquinco, named National Artist of Dance in 1976, is known as the mother of Philippine theater dance. She significantly contributed to Philippine dance by blending traditional Filipino movements with modern styles, preserving and promoting Filipino cultural heritage through her choreography and performances. Her work helped elevate Philippine dance both locally and internationally. She was born in July 24, 1917 and died in July 15, 2005 at the age of 87 years old, and the reason was cardiac arrest. She became national artist in year 1976 and the former president was Ferdinand Marcos Sr. So for our third national artist is Ramon Ubusan. A national artist of dance in 2006, was known for preserving and promoting Filipino folk dance and traditional music. He dedicated his career to documenting and showcasing the country's diverse dance forms, elevating Philippine dance both locally and internationally. Ramon Ubusan was born in June 16, 1938 and died in December 21, 2006 due to cardiopulmonary arrest. He became national artist in year 2006 and the former president was Gloria Macapagal Arroyo in year June 27, 2006. So our group prepared a dance about folk dancing, and thank you for listening to our presentation. One, two, three, four.